Good morning, Tim Morset, Coldwell Banker, and I'm so excited because we're in front of our hot new listing at 59 Toulon in Foothill Ranch. You're gonna love this house. It features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and if you're looking for a huge loft, this one has it. It's kind of like a multi-purpose room. The square footage is just under 2,500 square feet. Let's go take a look inside. So as you walk into the double door entry, you come into the formal living room and dining room. And then you've got upgraded baseboards, upgraded lighting. They've upgraded the staircase here with new wood and wrought iron. And it's got crown molding upstairs. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. As we walk into the kitchen, you've got a large pantry to the right. Then as we open to the area here, the kitchen, the family room, we've got a large center island, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a lot of lighting underneath the cabinets, recessed lighting. And then in the family room, this space here, we've got a large entertainment niche center that the sellers have added. So at the top of the stairs, the first thing I noticed is this large loft. This is a great space for families to come up and enjoy themselves in different spaces. Foosball, you could have an office space here, entertainment area, and then this steps out onto a large deck. Let's go check out the deck. So here we are out on this humongous deck that stretches the width of the back of the house. You have access from the deck through the master bedroom and the loft area. So you've got a dining space here and then also a little family room space here. It's very nice. Let's go check out the master bedroom. So entering the master suite, you notice the high ceilings. Upgrades include baseboards and crown molding. You have a nice slider that goes out to the outside deck, which I love. And then we go into the master bathroom. The master bathroom features dual closets, dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and a soaking tub. Let's go check out the other rooms. So as we exit the master suite, we come down the landing and we have bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, and bedroom number 4 behind me. And then here we have the upgraded secondary bathroom. So isn't that a great house? If you like it, or if you know of somebody who you think would like to move into this area, please give me a call, 949-412-2233. It's Tim, Michelle, and Matt Morset. We're here to take care of all your real estate needs. Take care and be safe.